Hello, everybody. Sorry for what has really happened, but even though I was supposed to do like an update like 2 or 3 weeks, I've decided to like spend a little bit of my money on these free over here. Technically free, but yeah. Without further ado, let's get started with this DVD here and then those two Blu-rays here. Let's get started. The first we're looking at here is the Toy Story 2 pack. This is a 2000 DVD. It comes with Toy Story 1 and 2 here. And this one is THX certified here. Here's the front here, which has Woody and Buzz. Here's the side, which has Woody, Buzz, Jessie, and Bullseye. In the back, the special features for Toy Story 1 comes with 10 toy short and comes with the French and Spanish language tracks. For Toy Story 2, it has the choice of viewing presentation. You can choose widescreen or full screen. And then there's Lexo Jr. as the short film, outtakes, and the Monsters Inc. sneak peek here. Both of these movies are rated G here. Toy Story runs for 81 minutes and Toy Story 2 runs for 92 minutes. Here's the first Toy Story movie, which is a 2000 Walt Disney Gold Collection disc. Really like that artwork. And here is the condition here. Sorry. And here is Toy Story 2. Which here's the condition. Sorry, you can't really see those kind of marks here. I can see it in person, but the camera just doesn't want me to show it. Now I'm moving to the two Blu-rays here. The first one we're looking at here is another Despicable Me Blu-ray here. Now you may be asking, Tyler's Movie Corner, why do you have another Despicable Me Blu-ray? Well, this one is the original 2010 Blu-ray here. So yeah, it has 4 minions instead of 3 on the other one I got here. Anyways, here's the front here. Here's the side, which has this minion, and you can see it has the older Universe logo here. Sorry. And here's the other side. And the back. This year's coolest animated comedy. Like I said, it comes with 3 mini movies, just like on my previous update. As you can see, it has the older Universal logo here, and it comes with 3 discs in this one here. My other copy only comes with 2. Not gonna explain the rest since I already have the Blu-ray here. This one does not come with a Blu-ray disc here. If you want to try to use the code, go ahead, even though it expired on December 31st, 2011. Here is the Voodoo on screen. And then we have this cool disc here, which is the digital copy disc. However, the DVD disc is still in here, surprisingly. I'll show you a comparison to the other Despicable Me Blu-ray when I close this thing up. Sorry. Hold on, I gotta do this without holding the camera. Alright, there we go. Alright, I'm gonna go bring my other Despicable Me Blu-ray here. Okay, as you can look over here, on the original Blu-ray, there's 4 minions in here, while this newer cover over here has 3 minions. Also over here, by the word free, number 3, there's the word new. However, on the newer one, it just says free mini movies instead of free new mini movies. Look on the side on this one over here, it has the older Universal logo here. While on this one over here, it has the newer one. You can tell the Gru is not holding the freeze ray, unlike this one over here. They also have different facial expressions. Anyways, enough. This is enough for the thing. And now we're going to the final Blu-ray here, which is another copy for Despicable Me 2. Now, you may be asking, Tyler's Movie Corner, why do you have another copy of Despicable Me 2 on Blu-ray? Well, I decided to get this one because it comes off a slipcover and it finally came with a DVD disc. I'm gonna have to get rid of my older one since I decided to put the Blu-ray disc inside of this one here, since that one I found did not have a Blu-ray disc. Anyways, here's the front, here's the side, the other side, and the back here. I'm not gonna explain anything on the back here. As you can tell here. Anyways, here is the Blu-ray disc here. And here's the DVD disc here. DVD disc looks kind of different than the Blu-ray disc. It might be like a newer disc. Anyways, here's the Minion Rush sponsoring. And on the back there's just Despicable Me 2 toy merchandise. Anyways, this is it for my DVD and Blu-ray update on July 8th. I will make another one on July 22nd or July 29th. I'll probably do it on 29th because I just want to save some money for GTA 6. But anyways, this is Tyler's Movie Corner signing off.